friends, welcome to my channel. This is Heather with Party Favor Printables, where we take your party to the next level. Today I will be showing you how to assemble your Father's Day candy wrapper bundle. It comes with 8 different candy bar wrappers, and each wrapper has a special message for Dad. You are going to print them on a glossy brochure paper or a very thin photo paper. I will post a link in the description below of the type of paper that I prefer to use. The first thing you are going to do is cut out your candy wrapper, making sure to remove all of the white edges. Next, you're going to flip over your candy wrapper face down. Take your double stick tape roller, or if you prefer, hot glue. You're going to put tape along the left side, the top, and the right side. Do not put any tape on the bottom of the wrapper. This Crafter's double-sided tape roller that I use is super easy and convenient. I'll post a link to that in the description below as well. After you've applied your tape or glue, you're going to place your candy bar face down in the center of your wrapper. You're going to fold the bottom flap over first and then overlap the top piece. Make sure to press and seal so the double-sided tape sticks. Next, you're going to flip over your candy bar and kind of center the graphic in the front. Then you're going to take one side, pinch in the middle, and pinch the sides. You're going to flip it over and do the same thing. Pinch in the middle and pinch to the sides. This will help prevent any big creases. Now the next 2 steps are totally optional, but they do help the candy wrappers look more authentic. You're going to cut the right side and the left side of your candy wrapper with Crafter's edge scissors. This just gives it that zigzag edge look that most candy wrappers have. Then lastly, you're going to take your paper crimper and crimp the sides of your candy wrapper to get that authentic look. You can also find this on Amazon, and I will post the link to that in the description below. That's it! Your first candy wrapper is complete. For the sake of this video, I have already cut out the other candy wrappers, and we are going to speed through assembling them since you now know how to assemble them yourself. You can purchase these Father's Day printable candy wrappers from my Etsy shop, Party Favor Printables. They can be purchased as a bundle or individually. The Mr. Good bar says, "Mr. Good Dad, Happy Father's Day." The Skittles say, "Dad, you have many skills, but being a great father is your #1. The Crunch bar says, "Dad, thanks for always being there in a crunch." The Milky Way bar says, "Dad, we love you beyond the Milky Way." The Reese's cups say, "Dad, have we told you recently how much we love you?" The M&Ms say, "Dad, we love you more and more each day." The Snickers bar says, "Your dad jokes make us laugh and snicker." And lastly, the Reese's Pieces say, "Dad, we love you to pieces." If you have a dad with a big sweet tooth, these custom candy wrappers are sure to put a smile on his face. Arrange them nicely in a gift basket and you have the perfect Father's Day gift. Check out my Etsy shop for more Party Favor printables, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more video tutorials.